Hey guys, I'm gonna teach you how to make a really simple bracelet like this using some beads. You're gonna need some hooks. Since I'm not cutting the yarn to add the beads, I used a 4mm hook and a 2.5mm hook for the beads, so it's thin enough to put it through. I'm gonna use this cotton yarn, works pretty good. Obviously you can use scissors and some beads. So let's get started. First, we're gonna make a slip knot, just like that. We use our 4mm first to make the length of the wrist. So for me, it's pretty much 20 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. So that's basically our chains. So now for this row, we're going to chain 1, and then we are going to take this one out and pick whichever bead you want. Yeah? And you take this one, put it in, put this bead over it, and then grab onto the yarn and pull it through until you have another loop. Then remove it and get the 4. And there, it's connected. Now, to make it steady, you have to slip stitch into the next chain. And that's our first one. So now we're going to do the second one. Just make a little loop, put this one in, hold it, put another bead. Now push it through the hole into the next one, make space, keep it steady, and into the next chain make a slip stitch, and you keep going, put it through the hole. I'm just doing everything blue just to make it contrast in a nice way. And then we do a slip stitch into the next one. This is what it's looking like so far. And we keep going until we reach the last chain. And then I'm gonna show you what to do at the end. Here we're up to the end. So I'm about to put in my last bead. I made it simple, just blue all around. Tighten it to make sure. And here we slip stitch. That's basically how you make it. And then if you want, you could make 5 more chains and then slip stitch into the first one to make a little circle. chain, then cut the yarn and tighten it, and get a little circle over here. What you want to do is then put it over your, well, this is what it's gonna look like, and you could put it over whichever bead is more comfortable for you, and it's gonna provide resistance so that you don't have to cut too much. And oh, well, I guess you could tighten these to make sure nothing falls off, and cut those off. Yeah, this is your little bracelet. You could make any kind of beads you want. Really cute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment if you made one, and see you in the next video. Bye.